California-based AirData UAV expands its enterprise platform with advanced inventory tracking, supporting the evolution of drone operations. California-based AirData UAV has become a trusted name in the commercial drone industry, offering advanced fleet management solutions tailored to meet the needs of a rapidly evolving market. DroneLife recently sat down with AirData's founder and CEO, Eran Steiner, to discuss the company's journey, its innovative products, and the launch of its new drone asset management tool. This latest offering is designed to simplify inventory tracking and enhance operational efficiency for drone fleet administrators. AirData's journey began with a focus on hobbyists, inspired by Steiner's background in Air Force intelligence and software development. We initially created AirData to help hobbyists, and the positive response from the community was overwhelming, said Steiner. Over the years, the company pivoted to serving commercial and enterprise customers, adapting its platform to meet increasingly complex demands. Adapting to a maturing industry as drones became essential tools across industries, AirData expanded its capabilities to address the needs of larger, more sophisticated operations. When we started, many drone programs were just in their trial or pilot phases, said Steiner. Operations now are larger, more sophisticated, and increasingly specialized. Today, AirData supports over 140 drone models, reflecting the growing diversity of use cases, from agricultural applications to security and inspections. Steiner explained, instead of requests for general mission planning features, we hear things like, "I want to be alerted if a pilot flies outside of the designated mission area or time window." This growing demand for accountability and compliance shaped AirData's latest innovation, drone asset management, a game changer for fleet operators. The drone asset management tool is designed to address gaps in tracking and managing drone fleet components. Integrated into the AirData Enterprise platform, the tool offers features like QR code check-in and check-out for real-time equipment updates. We saw a real gap in asset accountability as admins repeatedly approached us asking for a way to track the status and location of drones, payloads, remotes, and other accessories in the field, said Steiner. The system logs every interaction in a historical ledger, supporting compliance and forensics while saving time for fleet administrators. By linking asset management with AirData's automated flight logging and maintenance tools, the platform ensures seamless operations and comprehensive oversight. The system logs this information in a historical ledger each time a check-in or check-out happens to aid in compliance and forensics. Steiner added, "What sets AirData's asset management apart? AirData's asset management tool is built specifically for drone operations, eliminating the unnecessary complexity of generalized software. Our biggest differentiator over generalized enterprise asset management systems is the ability to focus on drone-specific workflows," Steiner explained. The tool integrates seamlessly with AirData's broader platform, connecting telemetry data, maintenance tracking, and pilot certifications into one unified system. This tailored approach allows operators to scale efficiently while maintaining aviation-grade compliance and safety. The road ahead for AirData and the drone industry looking toward the future. Steiner sees three key trends shaping the drone industry: larger deployments, integration with corporate systems, and the adoption of autonomous dock-based drones. We keep a close eye on industry trends and continue to augment the AirData platform to accommodate the evolving needs of our customers, he said. AirData's development roadmap includes expanding its range of supported drone models, refining pilot certification tools, and broadening automation capabilities. Over the next year, our goal is to continue refining our platform to better serve the daily operations of our expanding customer base, Steiner stated. In the long term, the company envisions a comprehensive, user-friendly solution for all aspects of drone management. Unique applications of AirData's technology. AirData's tools have supported a variety of remarkable projects around the globe, from Antarctic research to live-streamed emergency response efforts. Our clients have used our live streaming to locate vulnerable persons, from missing elderly individuals to lost children and hikers stranded in remote locations, shared Steiner. Whether tracking spouting whales or assisting with large-scale forest fire surveys, AirData's technology has proven invaluable for operators pushing the boundaries of drone applications. With the launch of drone asset management, AirData UAV reaffirms its role as a leader in innovative solutions, helping drone operators meet the challenges of today while preparing for the opportunities of tomorrow.